This is a project-based course for those who have seen the Revit introductory courses and want to do a project. Also, if they are smart, those who don't know anything about Revit can learn important points and project-based. In this tutorial, we modeled a villa project from beginning to end and created all the details and elements of the project in 3D. For example, we created all the trusses, railings, and the stairs using the details in the drawings and placed the doors and windows with their actual sizes in Autodesk Revit. At first, we taught you how to transfer an AutoCAD file into Revit and use it to do 3D modeling. We have specially drawn the levels of the project and created our symbols so that you can learn this topic well. Have modeled each floor separately, and then the stairs have been modeled. Transfer the AutoCAD file of the building facade into Revit and then model the building facade in 3D. Created all the columns in Revit. How to create a curtain wall is explained, and drew curtain walls for the project by using panels and suitable materials. Taught how to import patterns into Revit. Introduced Enscape for rendering. Placed the furniture. Created the topography of the villa area. Also taught you how to create different views and how to prepare them to be placed in sheets. Made the dimensions of the project so that you can learn how this works for the delivery of the project. Created the rooms and created the sheets to teach you how to place floor plans and views in them. This course is 0 to 100 for doing an architectural project in Autodesk Revit 2023, and it has taught you everything you need to do a project until it is delivered to the client.